paint a little.
And then you paint
Yeah,
the
egg white.
egg white.
Yeah.
Pones el huevo. And then you put the rest.
The rest, yeah. The rest
Here.
here.
You can make it in different shapes or just
Just one shape. If you take too much mixture, it's become big. Yeah.
so,
But it's-
so this size is the best.
Yeah, this size is the best.
This is the best part.
Yeah. Start from bottom. Yeah. You start one round, then you hold two side. Yeah. Okay, stop. Then hold two side. But remember, keep your hand tidy.
Tidy?
Yeah, when you're rolling it. Yeah. This will become roll. Yeah. Very round. Good job.
All right. La maestra.
Un poquito más pequeñito, pero
Tell everyone you want to make the spring roll